Joshua, first of all, welcome to the show. And I think don't this will almost campaigning kabar park. It has been a tough time. We can say that when election announced, suddenly somebody went to the court. It was a halt. Again, all the procedures had to be done. Again, you had to do a selection for your team and all. So how it has been going on right from the day again it was announced?
I would look at it as a second chance basically to get things on track again. I would say that opportunities comes in various forms. It all depends on your mindset and how you can make the best of that particular situation. So I looked at it as a blessing. I looked at it as an opportunity to start fresh, to take input from the people of that area. कारण माझे पहिले फावटी इलेक्शन आसा म्हणजे पयलीं आमी कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आसले ह्या फावटी आमी आमदार म्हणून एक म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन लढयता. इट्स नायस टू बी ऑन द ऑर्गनायझिंग सायड ऑफ द इलेक्शन rather than I was always on the candidature side. So it is a first time opportunity to have the ability to restart everything. Not many people get second chances at rectifying certain mistakes that they may have or could have happened with that first panel that was there. So in terms of I would say it was a good learning experience. जायते कोई आमी कमी पडले थी आमकां एक चान्स पडलो सारके rectify करपा खातीर and to get things better, to organize better basically. We had more time, we had a good period before the reservations were announced to take in and set things in a way that we could take everybody on board, each and every member of our 20 wards, our booth members, well-wishers, people from each and every area, take their inputs, take their opinions, and get candidates that are fresh basically. If you look at my panel, we have 20 candidates, 11 people are ladies, so we have given stress to women empowerment this time. We have ensured that even though 33% reservation is there, was set by the Supreme Court, we have ensured that we've kept more than that, right up to a level of 55%. I don't think any other municipality has had that kind of a number reserved for ladies. So it's a fully woman-dominated panel, a lot of new faces, a lot of senior people. We have only 4 ex-councillors from our previous tenure, another 3 people that were ex-councillors in the past. So apart from these 4, 5, 6, 7 people, everybody is new. Also 4 youngsters, 4 yuva are there in the panel that we are supporting.
If you go to see, then again Supreme Court मागीर पत्ते reservation पत्त्याका लागून पत्ते करचे पडले. How was it difficult or was it easy from पयले selection आले मागीर some changes, थोडे नाराजगी जातले, थोडे राग खुशी जातले, सडनली आपणाचें नांव येयलें म्हणून. How was it?
कितें आसता सुप्रीम कोर्टाचें जजमेंट त्या कारणाक आमकां सगळ्यांक सजमून घेवचें पडलें. Nobody had could say anything that this was done or that was done. Whatever came was by the court's order. Everything was done I think in the best way possible. I trust the system. I am happy that for me as a youngster, as a new MLA, it is my first experience. So either way, it's a new it's a new situation. So I try to look at it as a positive. It's how you look at it. That too, you look at it as a negative thing that ki baba tras jatle, then you find negativity in everything. You look at it positively. Amche senior je log asle, seniors ex-councillors asle, they were upset for a few days, but ultimately we have to move forward. We can't sit and cry and be upset about जाले ते जाले. आता कोहे कितें आहा ते फुडले कोण कॅन्डिडेट आसतले, कोहे थारयतले, कोहे फुडें या, तेंकां सगळ्यांक बसोनूच आमी कितें आहा तें थारयलें. So it gave a good sense to all the councillors that the MLA is new, hence he is taking everybody on board. He is considering everybody's opinions. He's ensuring that even though people, some of them may have been upset, somewhere we were able to sit down, talk, converse, and get everybody on board, get everybody back as a team. And our entire team consists of all our ex-councillors, all the people that are well experienced in working in elections, people that have been working in the organization, people that have worked as candidates. So we have a good team of people. We have a good organization that helps us work through every kind of scenario.
We have seen you moving house to house, campaigning, पावणे चोडटा, गांवकांतल्यान भोंवता, सगल्याक वयता. कितें विशय आसा लोक तुमच्या फुड्यान घालता? Because this has been, Mapsa has been your father's bastion for a long time. After that, you followed it. You have been a councillor also. So, never, this wants or development is a continuous process. Always people would like something or the other to be done from the MLA side. कितें विशय सांगता?
With regards to the Mapsa constituency, like you said, development is a continuous process. Governance is a continuous process. To get everything done in a short time is not possible. As we have declared in the manifesto, कोणे म्हाका म्हटले की थोडे कामां आसा ते फाटले फावटी असले मान्य करता असले कारण 5 वर्सांनी सगळे पूर्ण करपाकूय त्रास जाता. इट्स नॉट जस्ट इजी की बरयले ते आनी केले. बरोवपाकूय चिंतचें पडटा की बाबा हे करतना आय लुक एट इट इन अ डिफरंट वे दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू बी द पर्सन हू अचीव्स. I want achievable goals. I set achievable goals to ensure that in this period of time, I want to ensure that I can accomplish the expectations of the people, expectations of myself. I also have certain expectations about myself that during this tenure, I want to do this. So, लोकांची अपेक्षा असा की as a youngster, they expect certain things of me. They expect certain things to be done within a certain time frame. So to ensure that everybody is happy, I kind of take inputs from them. Right now the issue is a municipal level issue is, I'm glad that people this time don't mix up the two issues between MLA government of Goa's level as well as municipal level. Saglan khabar asa, as everybody is educated, everybody knows Baba, what is the difference between municipal administration, what is the difference between state governance. So अशें म्हाका एक उमेद येता की people don't mix up the issues where MLA's promises are different from the municipalities. People's expectations of the councillors are वेगळे आसता. So कितें आसता, they ensure that they speak to me only about municipal level problems. So that is a good input I have got, and I'm happy that my constituency is such that we are always leading in terms of everything we do. Right from the people's sentiments, the way they vote, the way they elect people. I'm confident that in Mapsa we will get maximum amount of seats in this coming elections. Also, in terms of work coverage, the main issue that we have faced is garbage. Garbage is a major issue in terms of collection. Garbage is a problem everywhere in Goa. I also want to stress on garbage, but moreover, I think it is management of the team that goes to collect the garbage. Experienced in many things, but garbage also is a very scientific subject, and it needs to be done with the proper professionals, proper expertise, people who are involved in garbage management. So it's part of my manifesto also that we will take up garbage collection in a scientific manner through outsourcing to a particular agency who is experienced, who has some credibility, who has some experience in that field. So it makes our job easy to ensure that whatever is done by that agency is done in the best possible way through their experience, and they manage the entire garbage problem properly. Another issue was water, but again, water also is a big issue for the entire state of Goa, and especially Bardes. So the good thing about water and government in power is that they have proposed a plant in Porvorim, which is nearing completion. म्हाका दिसता एक 15 दिसा भितर ते पूर्ण काम सोंपतलें, आनी ते खंय तरी सुरवात केल्या. ते 5 MLDचो प्रेशर असनोडच्यान आहा तो मातसो खंय तरी आमकां एक फायदो गावतलो, in the remaining constituencies. कारण Porvorim also is at an elevated level in Bardes constituency. The same way Mapsa, it is on a height. So to ensure that our tanks get filled up, we need a proper pressure, we need that kind of flow. It has been my goal to ensure that we have the best possible solution for water, not only on a short term level, but somewhere in the future, 5 years, 10 years, we need to be prepared ki how आमी कशें कितें फुडें कशें, how are we going to accommodate the new developments, the new constructions, the new homes, the new people that come to live in the state. They have to be able to have a sufficient water supply over the next 10 years.
The numbers of candidates which you have put up here, with your experience as an MLA, councillor, and plus government support, how much confident you are saying that okay, we can retain maximum number of seats?
Uh, as an MLA, as a person who is part of that panel, it is my goal and my promise to each and every candidate that we will try to get as many as possible. So our focus is 20 out of 20. But if we are able to achieve 20 out of 20, it will be one of the biggest achievements in municipal election history. Tashat, like we said, we are the ones setting the trend. We have had 11 out of 20 reservations for women. So, you know, a lot of positivity in terms of the panel, a lot of positivity in terms of what people look, you know, the outlook towards us. Last time, it was the first time there was 20 wards. Tari Astana, my late father Babush Astana, recently एक 16 seats आम्ही निवडून आणले and तितूनले आणि एक independent candidate आमकां support दिलो. So we were at a number of 17 in the last election. This time also I am very confident that we will try to get 20 out of 20, but if not, then we should settle at around 16, 17 again.
Those panels and all, the panel galya muddam because Joshua is there. It's not because only BJP, but hunच्या साइडीच्यान this young chap is coming up आणि एका खंयच्यान तरी हेजे candidates we will be able to show him some defeat ahead of upcoming assembly elections.
Yes, on a panel galtana, one has to be first of all serious about contesting the elections. You can't contest a municipal election if you are going to only have 15 candidates in your panel. And I don't know why, what is your confidence? लोकांकडे तू कितें सांगू सोदता? 20तले फक्त 15 कॅन्डिडेट बाकीच्या वॉर्डांनी कितें आसा? So if you are targeting only 15, how many are you trying to win? Are you trying to win to get majority? काय तू तुझ्या फायद्या खातीर तू 4-5 येतले आनी तू ते तेकयतले कोणाक आनी तू you know, do you want to make it like that, or you want to actually make a statement तुका आख्खे पॅनल निवडून हाडून तू council form करूंक सोदता जाल्यार it all depends on that intention and based on what they have fielded. One panel has fielded only 5 or 6 candidates. The other panel has fielded only 15 candidates. So that shows seriousness in terms of what their plan is. And it also shows that the panel lacks focus.
How do you feel that जे पायन आपणाच्या वयर काडले कोणाक हेल्प केले कितले आयज पॉलिटिक्सान पायक लागून आसा बिकॉज ऑफ युअर फादर दोज पीपल ओनली आर ट्रायंग टू पुट समवेर जोशुआ सायडीक ओ बाबा आयज आमदार जाला फुडें मंत्री जावंक जाता ताका लागून आतांच कातोरया.
Yeah, so that is how people are, no? That is human nature. That is how politics is. It's a very dynamic process. As तुमचे वांगडा आसतले लोक फुडल्या वर्सा maybe the same people won't be there. So in politics you lose some people, but at the same time tu kama करून tu you win a lot of people. The trend I'm seeing is a lot of youngsters are with me. A lot of new voters are with me. So that is my ability. फाटले 1.5 वर्सांची हांवें काम केला. Those people are the people that I have helped, the people that I have reached out to. Dadin 20-35 वर्सां खूब काम केलां, जायते मनशांक जोडून दवरलेले आसा. आनी कितें आसता थोड्यांक सगळ्यांक आशा आसता की आमदार जावपाचें, आमदार जाले की मंत्री जातले.
Okay, tell us how important is this municipality election, especially for Joshua, when you talk about 6 months or 8 months down the lane, assembly polls.
I think municipal elections play a very crucial role in the entire, well-being of the city. More over than looking at my election in the future, I'm more concerned about MAPSA. MAPSAचे development जावंक जाय, म्हापशेची कामां जावंक जाय. MAPSA should be self-sustainable. So at this point of time, the more focus is on the city, the more focus is on the betterment of MAPSA. कारण म्हाका एक यंगस्टर म्हणून म्हाका दाखोवन दिवंक जाय की आमी यंग आसून खंय तरी आमी कितें करूंक सोदता. We are trying our level best to ensure that everything is done in an organized manner, everything is done taking people into confidence. Yes, winning this election is very important for the next, for the future. It also ensures smooth work, it ensures that I am able to reach each and every ward in the constituency. I have not had a good term of 5 years to be able to show off so many things. परत तितून एक पॅन्डेमीक लागले, आमकां खंय तरी त्रास जाले, आमकां एक सेटबॅक मेळलो. But setback म्हणना, I look at it as an opportunity where I got time to sit down, to think, to strategize, to plan things. That is why we, as a team that I work with, we also feel that a lot of things are different from how people have had the opportunity to get adjusted to my way of functioning. People were accustomed to बाबूशाचे कडेन कितें आहलें तो कसो चलयतालो. सो फाटले वर्सान एक सगळ्यांक एक कळपाक आयलें की हांव जॉशुआ फंक्शन, how he works, what are his strengths, what is his focus. So that is what this entire time has been about. And to ensure that we are able to get maximum seats, it also benefits, but it helps us reach out to each and every person in the constituency.
You must be feeling that little bit of emptiness of your father, because this is the first time municipality elections without your father.
Tarke, he was such a tall leader. He was such a person that had that kind of atmosphere, that aura around him. A lot of people remind me about how he would come and how he would do. And खूप जाण सांगता की सर तो येवन थंयच बसतलो, you also go sit there only. And so he used to have this particular item, so I want to give you this item. I tell them.
So that memories are still.
Yeah. So that memories are so instilled in them. A lot of people have photos of him in the house, so they take me and they want me to see the pictures. They say that. The memories that they have of him. So he is missed not only by me, he is missed by सगळे म्हापशान जितले लोक आसा सगळे तेजी याद काडीत आसता. सगळ्यांक तो खंय तरी एक पावला, कारण 35 वर्सान he had to have reached a lot of people in the constituency. So I can see that through the campaign, I can see that through a lot of people's words and memories that they bring back, that he is missed. It is a big challenge for me, and I would say that if I am able to get a majority panel, which I will be getting, it will be a big achievement for me. Karan, for Dad to get this entire panel, taka ek 15 varsa lagli to get a panel of majority.
Like it is always said that municipality should go along with the MLA, and it always helps for development. Like you have so many development plans, maybe in the next 6 months not so easy, but it will always help you to get your municipality together. How would you say that?
Of course, I always say that a lot of things can be done through the municipality itself. म्हणून ते हांव फोकस दिता सेल्फ सस्टेनेबिलिटीचेर, कारण जर म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन फंड्स आसता, आमी जे प्रोजेक्ट्स आमी आमच्या लेवलाचेर घेवंक शकता ते आमकां सरकाराचो अप्रुवल काडपाची आमकांय गरज ना. आमी कितें आहा तें डिसिजन थ्रू the councillors, through the municipal teams, we can take those decisions, we can ensure that all those projects that are there, we can somehow take them forward.
What are the things that you would like to tell your voters so that they can come in support of your candidates?
I would want to tell my voters that it is a fresh panel, I am a fresh MLA, new ideas, new outlook towards doing things. Elect the panel that is going to work for you all. Elect the panel जे आमी election लडोवपाक serious आसा. We have to be serious about electing the candidates. That is why we have given representation to all world. Understand that आमी म्हापशा खातीर खंय तरी आमी बरें कितें करूंक सोदता म्हणून आमी 20 representation दिला. So look at all those things. Politics आसता ते municipal politics आसता micro levelचेर वयता. People vote individually for each and every candidate based on who is popular in their area and who has done things, who has helped them in the past. So vote for the person so that we can get a majority. We can be able to set a good team in the municipality so that we can work for the next 5 years for the betterment of the city. म्हापशा खातीर एक बरें खंय तरी करपाक, कामां करपाक, एक बरेंशें सुंदर एक central town of Mapsa is, they always say it is the heart of Bardez Taluka. To work for a better Mapsa, a stronger Mapsa, it is my appeal to each and every one of you all to vote for our candidates, the people that are representing the Mapsa Development Front in your respective wards, and let us make a better Mapsa, let us have a stronger Mapsa.
One more could be for Joshua. If you get your maximum number of seats, especially when you look into terms of so many candidates trying to be in line, Joshua side doru. how big answer it could be?
It all depends on what the response is. Of course, winning the municipal election is very important to ensure that it also sets a good it sets good momentum for the next coming elections. A lot of people, everybody is free to contest. Everybody wants to contest. So it's up to them, individual strengths and how they see it. I don't see it as a bad thing that. The more the merrier. I'm open to all sorts of competition. Elections have to be, there has to be some competition. It has to be healthy. But tari जो कोण काम करता तोच फुडें आसतलो. The more people you have, the more things you do. Those are the people that will come out on top.
Any reply from your side to those who think Joshua is still young and try to interfere in your constituency?
Everybody has been young at some point of time. No? Nobody started old. Nobody started with all the wisdom. Everybody has started from somewhere. People want to interfere, they are most welcome to interfere. But if we are strong, if I am strong in my constituency, if I am able to reach out to my people, maka disana ki koslot tras जावचे ना हांवें दिसता.
And what has been the response to your campaigning process when you have moved house to house? आम्ही तुमच्या बरोबर आहा कितें सांगता?
जे आम्ही आता प्रचार केला, we are almost nearing the end of our campaign. The response that I have got is I would say better than the response I got during my MLA's election.
So it will help you a lot.
I am confident that when I campaigned the last time, I had nothing that I had accomplished other than my ward. म्हणून माझ्या वाड्यार म्हाका एक बरोसो सपोर्ट जाल्लो तेन्ना. सो ह्या फावटी म्हापशांची कामां केल्या, लोकांची कामां केल्या. I have over the last 1.5 years, nearing 2 years, I have helped a lot of people. I have done a lot of things. So those people remember me, remember the things that I have done. तशेंच I am able to identify people on a personal level. Now on where they live, what was the job that they had.
The friendship has increased?
Yeah. So my network has increased, my reach has increased. Overall, the entire outlook towards how people perceive me, that has also changed.
So this will really help you in upcoming assembly elections.
People have seen it, a lot of people have also said that तू पहिल्यापेक्षा आता मातसो मॅच्युअर जाला. So maturity is also, it comes in time. You can't force maturity onto anybody.
So this will really help you in your victory in the upcoming assembly polls.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, Joshua.
Yeah.